Good morning and welcome to a lovely sunny day in Southend-on-Sea. Today, car fanatics, we are going to be removing the O2 sensors from my removed exhaust pipe from my 997 3.8 using a bit of heat. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, here we go. Right, the O2 sensors are a 22mm spanner. Now using a little bit of heat up around the top of the cap and around the collar, trying to keep the heat off the nut as much as you can. Remember, the hottest part of your flame is at the tip of the flame. The blue flame, that is. Try and distribute the heat evenly. And then take your 22mm spanner, a snug fit. Actually, I won't go in there, I'll do it this way. And I'll use the shank of the hammer. Just put my foot on the pipe. Crack it off, and away you go. They should be quite pale and white, almost, if they're burning well, in colour. Yeah, here you go. Not too terrible at all. And that's it for O2 removal. Mark them off. Make sure you put them back in the same ports that you take them out, just in case.